Powertec pocket hole jig kit comes with everything that you see here. There's the jig itself, an R2 driver bit, a 3/8 drill bit with stop collar, hex key, and a dust collection adapter. What is pocket hole joinery? Well, it's a fast and easy way to make strong joints between any two pieces of wood, and it really is easy to do. Start by measuring the thickness of the workpiece that you'll drill the pocket hole into, and then adjust the jig accordingly. There's a measuring ruler on the right-hand side of the jig for this. For example, if you measure your piece to be 5/8 of an inch thick, slide the orange part of the jig to the 5/8 of an inch mark on the thickness scale, which is on the left side of the jig. The next step is to set the drill depth. Take the kit drill piece and put the collar on, but don't tighten it just yet. The collar will later limit the depth of the pocket hole. If you take the jig and flip it over, you'll see there's another handy scale on the back side of the jig. This is for measuring drill depth. Slide the drill bit into the jig and stop at the point where the thick part of the step drill bit is level with the desired marking, in this case 5/8 of an inch thick. Now, holding everything in place, and lock the collar onto the bit using the hex key. At this point, you're ready to start making pocket holes. But that said, it's always best to test out the settings on some scrap pieces first. To prep for drilling, you want to secure the workpiece with a C-clamp. Start by positioning the pocket hole jig on the workpiece, add the dust port, and then clamp it all in place. As you can see, the C-clamp sits securely in a recess that's embedded into the dust port. Connect the dust port up to a collector and you're ready to start drilling. For the actual drilling, set your drill to the highest speed possible, and be sure that the drill bit is spinning as fast as possible before it touches the wood. This ensures clean, perfectly shaped pocket holes. Stop drilling, of course, when the stop collar hits the jig. One of the star features of this jig is the dust collection port. No one ever does just one pocket hole, and it's actually a little shocking just how much incredibly fine dust comes from creating just one pocket hole. Times this by 8 or 10 and you most certainly have a breathing hazard. So yeah, hook up that dust port. Health-wise, it's really important. With the pocket holes drilled, all that's left is to line up the pieces being joined, and using the provided R2 driver bit and panhead pocket screws, join the wood pieces. It's that easy. Work safe, folks.